Guess what? We're back in Santa Rosalia. In case you aren't familiar with Santa Rosalia, it's located here on the Sea of Cortez. This is what happens when you stay at breakfast too long.
I didn't know you drank that because I had that on the boat.
I don't really. I can drink one.
Yeah, they're pretty. Yeah, you can get.
There's a lot of beers that come.
Today begins another chapter in our journey. We are linking back up with our buddy boats after they spent the summer in Bahia, LA, in the Northern Sea, and Tammy and I in San Carlos on the mainland side of Mexico. This is a great part of buddy boating, sharing time together, planning for the future, and just enjoying each other's company both on and off the boat. Santa Rosalia was founded in 1868 as a copper and gold mining town. There is a rich history here that is very different than the rest of the Baja. I will attach a link in the description so you can read about it later. One interesting factoid is this is one of the only towns in Mexico where all the original buildings were built of wood, and many of those structures are still occupied today. Does anybody know what type of tree this is? Tammy and I have been obsessing about that since we've seen it. If you do know, answer it in the comments below. Thanks. During the very early mining days, this particular building was actually the train station. We're on to stop 2 of breakfast that turned into a pub crawl. Whatever. Alright, the master plan's in place, more on that later. Now back to the Merino, but then the churro guy, which actually, at this point in the evening, looked more like this. Come on, man. Are you really handing me the change? Please. I'm not sure exactly what's in this injection bottle, but I know one thing, it's pretty freaking amazing. This guy here is Max. You'll get to know him better over the next several months. And next to him is his bride Karen. Finally, we're back, and yep, the sun's going down. Wow, you made it to the end of the video. Good job. It's very windy outside. I just got orders to go get ice. I have a very important question for Tammy. What are you gonna do if the dock lines snap and I'm not here? Go.
I'm gonna scream. I'm
Scream.
going to.
Scream
I'm
doesn't
gonna-
save Dave's
We
boat.
have the steering wheel on, okay, so I don't have to put the steering wheel on.
You have 10 seconds. You're taking too much time.
Okay, start the engine. Use the bow thrusters. Fucking go, 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 and then yell at all the guys. Ah! And hopefully everyone's just gonna come running, and you're gonna come back from getting ice and beer, and I would have saved the boat.
I think it needs work. That took way too much time. We're like 5 feet away from the boat next to us. It's not going to be something
I
you
have
can
that
discuss.
little tiny fender out over there too.
A little tiny fender. I'm sure Dave's impressed sitting over there, and his boat is much smaller than ours, and he's probably thinking he's going to get crushed in this if this deal goes bad. Which is why he helped me put more lines on the boat earlier. To be continued.